10 signs she regrets losing you. Does she still love you? Do you think your ex misses you and wants to revive your relationship? Discover top signs she regrets losing you. People meet, guest posting date, fall in love, and separate. It is the life that most of us have every day. So, if one day you and your partner decide to break, the rest will keep living their usual life. You may begin all over again when suddenly realize that your ex-partner is not ready to move on. Signs she regrets losing you will help you understand whether your woman still loves you. Then, you can decide if you want to become friends with benefits, have her as an ex, or revive your relationship. How to understand she wants you back. It is not a big surprise that many relationships end unsuccessfully. A decision to break is always difficult and is associated with ruining hopes and plans. But if you would like to know whether your ex-girlfriend still loves you and wants you back, then pay attention to common signs she regrets losing you. She initiates communication. Actually, this is one of the simplest ways to understand that your ex-partner wants you back. She tries to chat with you either online or offline. The woman may invite you to hang out together, go to a cafe, attend a local workshop, etc. When these cases become more frequent, then stop to hesitate. She surely wants to revive your relationship. She often shows care. It will be especially evident if she has been indifferent before. Your ex-girlfriend may show you more care, and this way invite you to her life back. Soon, you start to notice extra attention, offers to help you with something, constant messages, trying to kiss you, etc. All in all, the care level keeps growing. She is single and doesn't pay attention to other men. Is your ex single even with so many suitors around her? In case your ex-girlfriend doesn't hurry to start a new relationship, it may mean that she still loves you. You have a chance to reconnect if the woman doesn't want to enter into a new relationship. She is interested in your life. One more sign she wants you back is a sudden interest in your activities. She is eager to know more about your hobbies, career, friends, etc. The woman keeps telling you compliments, talking about good moments from your common past, and saying how much you mean to her. She asks for your opinion. Does your ex want it back to you? Surely, she does, if she asks for your opinion on this or that issue. The woman may come to some crucial point in her life and realize how much your opinion or piece of advice means to her. That's why you may be sure that she regrets losing you if you get a request to help her with making an important decision. It means that she is ready to trust you even if you have separated some time ago. She asks friends to help back you. If your ex tries to reconnect with your relatives and friends, then she surely is interested in bringing you back. Moreover, she may ask them to say something good about her to you. As a result, you start to hear more and more about your ex-partner when you see your family and comrades. They may encourage you to accept her again by mentioning how she has changed or how she loves you. She is flirty with you again. Probably you know that flirting is what differentiates friendship from a romantic relationship. It means that the person is attracted to you physically. In case your ex tells some jokes, is playful, dresses accordingly, smiles, and takes every opportunity to touch you, then you can be sure that she wants you back. She calls you at night. It is easier to hide available feelings during the daytime, when a person has a lot of other activities to do, and other people around. But when the night comes, your ex may experience loneliness and sorrow. As a result, she starts to call or write you during the night. This way, your ex shows her affection and desire to start all over again. She sends you strange signals. Strange signals are so confusing and difficult. It means that the person always hesitates, and can't understand their own feelings. She may text you all day long and then disappear for a long period of time. A total indifference may occur after being very friendly. This way, a girl tries to understand whether she has made a mistake when broke a relationship with you, or not. She asks for one more chance. Experts say that most women who decide to leave a relationship will hardly think about coming back. They know what they want and are not ready for discussing any related issues. Still, if the woman decides to try to revive your relationship, then she is more likely to beg for another chance. Your ex may even say "I love you," or encourage you to practice BDSM rules that you have been dreaming about always. If she acts this way, you shouldn't hesitate about her desire to back into your life. Final thoughts. If you go through difficult times after a breakup, you probably want to know what is going on in your ex-partner's life. Are you willing to end with your hesitations and see the situation as it actually is? Then keep an eye on the above discussed signs she regrets losing you. Start to recognize all available signals from her and focus on your own feelings. Afterward, you will be ready to make the final decision: either leave everything as it is or give your connection another breath.